This is Ben McGahee with Yamie Chess. I'm going to be your math teacher today. Yamie Chess is the math learning aid based on classic chess that helps students in math and science education for school. In this lesson, we will learn how to add single-digit numbers from the numbers 0 through 9. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, addition is the first mathematical operation that you're going to learn in school. So when we add two numbers together, we usually get a bigger number. So let's go through our table, and we'll start with the 0 in this row here, and then we'll add up the rest of the numbers together, and we'll learn about the rule for 0 when adding. So the rule, when you add with 0 to any number, you pretty much get that number. So for example, if I do 0 plus 0, I get 0. 0 plus 1, I get 1. 0 plus 2, I get 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 0 plus 9 is 9. So when you add any other number to 0, you get itself, even including 0. Okay, so another thing to mention here before we continue is that this symbol, when we add two numbers together, this is called the plus sign. So when you see this sign, it's a mathematical operation, which means to add the two numbers together. Okay, so let's look at what happens when we add 1 to all of these numbers together. So if we do 1 plus 0, that's kind of like our beginning rule. Like with 0 plus 1, we get the same number, which is 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So do you see a pattern? Is that each time you add a number to 1, you get the next one larger, right? So this is 2, and then 1 plus 2, we get the next one is 3. And so what's 1 plus 3? That'd be the next one is 4. 1 plus 4, next one is 5. And 1 plus 5, it's going to be 6. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. And 1 plus 7, that's 8. And then 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 1 plus 9, we get a two-digit number, that's going to be 10. So the rule with adding with 1 is that whatever number you add with 1, you get 1 greater than it. So it'll be the next number. Okay. So now let's look at 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 9 is 11. So notice that when we added the other number to 2, we basically jumped two numbers ahead instead of 1 like when we did with ones. And so the next pattern that you're going to see with 3s, it's going to be 3 ahead, right? So we'll do 3 plus 0 is 3. And then 3 plus 1, that's going to be 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, so now let's look at the 4s. So 4 plus 0, that's 4. 4 plus 1, it's going to be 5. 4 plus 2, it's going to be 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. And then we have 4 plus 9, next number 13. So we just keep getting one number larger at the very end, as we go down to the numbers. Okay, so let's do the 5s. So we have 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, so let's do the 6s. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 8 is 14. And 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay, so let's do the 7s. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 8, 15. And 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, so we only have the two more numbers with 8 and 9 to go. So we have 8 plus 0, that's 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 8, 16. And 8 plus 9 is 17. And then the last one we're going to do is 9. So we'll have 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 8 is 17. And then 9 plus 9 is 18. So those are all the numbers that we're going to add from 0 through 9 to give you practice. So the rule is that when you're adding any number to 0, you basically get itself. And so that's a very important rule to know. And then notice that when you're adding like 1 and to that number, you get 1 greater than the number. And then when you add 2 to that number, you're going to get 2 greater than that number. And for 3, there'd be 3 greater, and then so forth. So what we're going to do now is have you try some practice problems. I have 3 problems here. So the first one says for you to add 4 plus 7. So you need to add those 2 numbers together to see what you get. And then the second problem, you need to add however many red dots you see here plus however many red dots you see there. And then for your answer, all you need to do is write the number. You don't have to draw the red dots or how many total red dots. And then finally, the third problem says John has $3. His mother gave him $6. How much money does John have now? So he starts with $3 and his mom gives him $6. How much money does John have now? So I'll give you time to work on those 3 problems. Feel free to pause the video to try the problems or rewind the video to see how to add the numbers from 0 through 9. And then we'll go over the answers. Okay, so let's go over the answers. So we have to add 4 plus 7. So the way we can do this is to think about, what number is like 4 more than 7? Or we could say 7 more than 4. So with 7 being the larger number, we can start at 7. And what are the 4 numbers come after 7? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so 4 more than 7 would be 11. So 4 plus 7 is 11. And then when we add the red dots for the second problem, we're going to count, how many red dots we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to add that to 1, 2 for the red dots. So 6 plus 2. So we start again at 6, and we do 2 more than 6. So 7 is 1, 8 is 2. So it looks like 6 plus 2 equals 8. So we have 8 red dots. And the last problem, number 3, it's John has $3. His mother gave him $6. How much money does John have now? So we're just going to take $3, and then we add that to $6. So 6 being our larger number, we know what's 3 more than 6. So we have 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 more than 6 is 9. So we have $9. So John has $9 with him. Okay, so let's check the answers here. We got 11. 4 plus 7 was 11. And then we had 8 red dots total. And then John has $9 altogether. This is Ben McGahey, and I want to thank you for watching this video lesson on adding single-digit numbers from 0 through 9. Please stay tuned for more lessons on YamieChess.com. Have a great day.